just about to head into Costco for our November Costco haul. Although starting in the holidays, which we're officially now in the holidays, I think, after Halloween, the Costco does like every couple of weeks it'll start a new sale. And so I already know that there's a few things coming up for sale, like the 25th of November, you know, like Black Friday deals. They have some really good, like Kerrygold butter is going to be on sale. They always do that in the holidays, and I like to stock up. So anyways, this is probably not going to be my only Costco trip for the month, but it's going to be my main Costco trip for the month. I have a couple of helpers, Levi and Talia, and we're just about to head in. What, Levi? Things with wheels? Yeah. Maybe. We'll have to see. Levi's obsessed with things with wheels.
Wow. Oh, truck.
Did you hear a truck?
There's one over here.
We got here right at opening time and they haven't even opened the doors yet. Gotta check out the kitchen stuff. Got some air fryers, foodie grill. Fryer. Yeah, double air fryer. This is too big.
We can make fries.
Too big for what I need. The nice thing about an air fryer is to have it small.
Or this.
And that just becomes a little excessive. Alright, I saw these the last time I was in and I thought that was such a good price for 9 containers with these snap lids. I actually got 2 packs of these last time I was in and I love them. So highly recommend those. And they're not even on sale. But that just seems like a really, really good price.
Tell her, be quiet. Mama, guy found. Have that.
That's a rice cooker. You want a rice cooker?
Yes, a toy rice cooker.
Oh, a toy one? Well, I have a real rice cooker. It's called an Instant Pot.
Oh.
Yeah. These are cute. Oh, those are really cute. I love it. Oh yeah, they're different sizes. I see. I like these too. I'm really tempted to get these. They're so cute.
Wait, it says 5 pieces. Does that mean it comes with this tray?
Yeah, it comes with the tray too. The tray is actually really cute too. I don't know.
So cute at Christmas.
I don't think I have room for it right now. But yeah, it would be cute like at a dinner party.
Like a little tray of crackers and vegetables and cheese. Giant chicken.
That is a turkey.
Oh. Same thing.
Giant chicken.
Same thing.
You're a giant chicken.
Levi's the biggest chicken.
Are you a chicken?
No.
Can you show me a duck face?
That looks a lot like a duck.
That's not a duck face at all.
Do it.
Are you a duck face?
Yeah.
How do you know what a duck face is?
I don't know.
I don't either. Are you an Instagram influencer? No. No. Wouldn't dream of being such a terrible thing.
There's always room for more potatoes.
No, there's not, because they go bad. Potatoes go bad. And we can't have too many, but we can get some bananas.
Bananas for the monkey. A banana. Monkeys like bananas.
Oh, that's right. Do they like cucumbers?
No.
Do you like cucumbers? No? These are great for lean days, so I'm going to stock up on those. We'll get 2, because we could throw them in the freezer. Gonna get some sausage patties for breakfast sandwiches.
What are they?
Sausages.
What do they do?
What do they do?
Yeah.
What do sausages do?
I don't know.
They taste delicious, right? Yeah. So many. Well, we got to get some of this bacon for bacon wrapped dates. Soon enough, it'll be time to make bacon wrapped dates.
Oh, yeah.
Got to make sure we have it, even though it's expensive.
Yeah.
K-cups are on sale. Gonna grab some of those. Oh, yeah, and the paddleboard. That looks fun, doesn't it?
I want it.
I know you do.
Is that toy?
Is it 4?
Yeah, it's like a toy, yeah.
It's a toy, yeah. Isn't that so awesome?
Yeah. And can we drive it?
You could. If we had it, we can drive it.
It costs $350.
Oh my goodness.
Can we have it?
No, that's a little too much for us right now. Not what we need.
It's a little bit too big.
And you have a quad at home.
Yeah, Daddy.
You don't need that when you have a quad.
Yeah, but that would be mine. Here you go, Eva.
Wow. Avocado oil. They're getting quite the collection of kinder seasonings. They have the steak one, and they have this one that's on sale. Salt, pepper, garlic. But I just ordered the Redmond garlic pepper, and so I think I'm not going to do that. But then they also have prime rib rub. That looks interesting. Got maltodextrin. Oh, and it has dairy ingredients. This is on sale this month, and I like that big bottle. I'm going to grab one of those. Raisins are on sale. Stocking up.
Want to put this in here?
No, just leave it right. Well, we can gently put it in here if you want. Look what I spy over here. I've been waiting for them to get the chomps back. Grabbing a bag of those.
Mom, and there's meat sticks in there.
Meat sticks. Yeah, we love meat sticks. What are these? Ooh, it says 0 sugar. Beef, pork. Oh, it says dextrose, which is sugar, and canola oil. Oh, well. Dextrose is sugar, but then they say 0 sugar on there. All right. I'm going to stock up on this. These have been great for taking in the car.
Are we eat them? Do we eat them?
Eat the beef?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Gonna go ahead and get our dates for bacon wrap dates for Thanksgiving. We do them at Christmas too, so I'm gonna go ahead and get 2, so that we're not gonna eat them right now. So that we, just in case they don't have them next time we come, that would be terrible. They do have things with wheels here, don't they? We found all the things with wheels. So many things with wheels. Trucks and trains, garbage trucks, fire trucks. Oh, this one's a Paw Patrol one. It's so cute. Oh, Harry Potter Legos. Those are cute, aren't they? I like that one a lot.
This one?
Yeah, that set. I think it's so cute.
This is them going to Green Dots.
Oh, okay. Sounds
They
great.
went all
Oh, it says it's an
apart.
advent calendar where you open up one each day and put it together.
Oh.
It has all these little boxes that you open, and then eventually you build the whole thing.
I love it.
That is cool. All right, I think we did enough damage. Ready to go check out?
Nope.
Let's go check out. Gonna do a back of the car haul today. All of my food is in here. My non-food is in here. I got 2 bags of the sausage patties for breakfast sandwiches, like I showed you in my video recently. I got 2 boxes of the organic raisins, giant thing of organic dark roast coffee cups, cheese sticks because the kids live on those, bacon, mostly for the bacon wrap dates that are coming up for Thanksgiving very soon. Some pepperonis, the kids love to munch on these. Bag of organic rainforest coffee. Got a box of kombucha for my husband, he loves that. 2 bags of the beef biltong. This is just so easy to throw a bag of in like my purse if I'm gonna be out. Love that, and there's no sugar. Natural Calm, this is a magnesium supplement that the kids like to take before bed. Helps them get good sleep. 2 things of bananas, 2 of these uncured beef smokies. The kids love these as well. Raw honey, some avocado oil, 2 of the oven brown turkey breast. I love these for lean days, and I'm gonna probably throw these in the freezer because I still have some from my last trip to Costco. 2 bags of the Deglette Nor dates that I use for bacon wrap dates at the holidays. Some beef chopsticks. These are also great for throwing in my purse. Some organic cucumbers, and I think that is it for the food. As far as non-food, I got some clothing items. I decided to try these pants because all of my size 8s are getting too big, which is a good problem. I got this for Levi. I thought that was cute. 2 shirts and a pair of pants. He's growing out of all of his clothes right now. Some garbage bags, some Epsom salt, some bubble bath that was on sale, Windex, and gallon freezer bags. So the total that I spent came out to $407.96. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Thanks for going shopping with us today. We'll see you again in another video. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.